Good morning students, myself Anup Kumar and it is my first video of this week. Okay, chapter 21 data handling. Okay dear, and students, in previous classes we have discussed this topic, and in today we will discuss introduction of histogram. In previous class, which I said dear, that in previous class we have discussed pictograph, bar graph. Okay, so today we will discuss about the histogram, how to draw histogram. So let's start the class dear. Okay, now, so in this slide you can see the definitions. At first we will discuss about the definitions of histogram. Histogram. What is histogram? A histogram is a graphical representation of a frequency distribution in the form of rectangles with class intervals as bases and the corresponding frequencies as heights, and there being no gap between any two successive rectangles, bars. We can say in bar graph here we have seen that we have left a gap between two bars, but in histogram we will not leave any gap. Okay dear. Now, and we have already discussed this point kink dear, that it is basically a break on the axis. If it means that if the class interval starts from directly 8 to 10, then 10 to 12, etc. Okay, then we will use this kink to represent the distance between 0 to 8. Okay, now, so let's start the class dear. After that, the next slide, the next question we will discuss. So, but before that we will discuss that how to draw a histogram by using steps. What steps we will follow to draw the histogram? Let's see. The first step, mark the class intervals on x-axis. We will mark all the class intervals on x-axis and we will mark the corresponding frequency on the y-axis. Then after we will construct rectangles, we can say bars, with class intervals as bases and the corresponding frequencies as heights. Okay. Now the fourth point, that there should be no gaps between two consecutive bars. Okay, because we know that here in bar graph we have to leave one gap, but in histogram we should not left any gaps between two consecutive bars. Okay, so let's understand with this one question. So the first question is, the top speeds of 30 different land animals have been organized in a frequency table given below. You can see the table here. This is the table. Here you can see in this table the maximum speed of animals in kilometer per hour given. Between 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Exact speed is not given. 40 to 50, and we know that speed is not in form. So how can we say? Okay. Now in number of animals, it means only 3 animals have the speed between 10 to 20 km per hour. In 5 animals has speed 20 to 30 km per hour, and so on. Okay. Now we have to use this data to draw the histogram. Okay. So first what we will do? We will draw x-axis and y-axis and mark maximum speed on x-axis and the number of animals on y-axis. Here I have drawn x-axis first. Here we can name it also x. Okay. And here we will draw y-axis. We can name it y, and the middle point is O. Origin we can say. Okay. Now after that here maximum speed we will write, and here we will write number of animals. Okay. Now the second point, take interval on x-axis as 0, 10, 10, 20, etc. You can see, because 10, 20 given now, so we can start from 0. Okay, always we have to start from 0, and then we will take number of animals. So we have to take y-axis as 1 unit equal to 2 animals. So after 0 we will write 2. Okay, then 2 gaps now, it means 2 2 are 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, up to 12 we can go. Okay, now on x-axis we have to write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, up to 70. Now here I have drawn one rectangle here. You can see that the speed of the 3 animals are 10 to 20. So we will increase 10. It means the first line we will keep on 10 and the second we will keep on 20. And then in between 2 and 4 there will be 3 here. Now the in between 20 to 30 it is 5. So 20 to 30, 5 should be here. So like this we can draw, no gaps between two bars. Okay, in between 0 to 10 there is a gap because 0 to 10 value not given. Now 30 to 40, 10. Again here up to here we can draw 10. Now 40, 50, 8. 40, 50, 8. Here we can draw. Here 50, 60, no, 0. In between 50 to 60 there is no animals. Okay, it means we will leave this gap. Now 60 to 72. So here we will write 2 up to here. Done. So like this we can draw the histogram. Okay dear. Now after that let's move to the next question. The ages in years of 360 patients treated in a hospital on a particular day are given below. You can see this is the table. Age in years between 10 to 20 there are total 90%, 20 to 30 total 40% and so on. So now we have to draw histogram by using this data here. Okay. So at first again we will draw x-axis and y-axis and we will mark age of patients on x-axis and the number of patients on y-axis. Here we can draw x-axis then y-axis, okay, and the origin 0. Now second point, what we will do here, we will keep age in years on x-axis and number of patients on y-axis. Now the second step, take interval on x-axis as 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, same as the previous. And now 1 unit is equals to 20 patients we can take. Okay, so now 20, then 40, then 60, then 80, 100, up to 120 we can go. Now here number of here we can take 10, 20 now. So 0 to 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, up to 70 we can. Now draw the bars corresponding to their height. So you can see in between 0 to 10 there is no patients, but in between 10 to 20 there is now 90 patients. So up to 90 we can draw. Now in between 20 to 30 there will be a 40 patients. So up to here we can go. Now in between 30 to 40 there is 60 patients. So here up to here we can go. Now again 40 to 50 20 patients. Then 50 to 60 120 patients. And 60 to 70 again it is 30 patient. In between 20 to 40 here. Done. So like this we can draw the histogram here. I hope that you all have understood. So students, at your home you have to do some assignment work. In R.S. Agarwal book dear, you have to do exercise 21C question number 3 to 8. Okay dear, thank you.